Hi guys, now you can create a music free of copyright. Go to Google Beethoven.ai and click on this link. Then go and start creating for free. Then go and choose a new track. You can track title and then the duration of the music. Then choose the speed of your track, medium, slow or fast. Then type next. Now you can choose the original sound or the genre of your track. There are Indian pop options, indie, R&B, cinematic, hip-hop or electric. Let's go and choose cinematic. From these emotions, you can choose one. For example, let's go and choose motivational. Now the track is being created. Wait until the composition of your track is done. Now it's 30%. Now the composition of your track has been done. Go and click on this button. This is the result of what you have created. You can change these options here. You can change the tempo, the genre, or the mode of your track, or you can choose also the instrument of your track. Once you have changed these options, you can go and compose your track once again. Then it will give you another result. I will post also this track at the last of this video if you have liked. But before we have done with this video, you can download your track from this button. Click on download, choose the extension of your track, then click on download button. Your file is preparing. Now the track is start the download. You will listen to the result at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.